What comes first, the words or the pictures?
No, the words. Well, first comes the idea, but first it may be as simple as improvisation. I mean when I first went to Chicago back in the late '50s, went to see the earliest version of Second City, long before Belushi and Company came, when it was other people, mostly remembered only by old timers like Severin Darden and Nichols and May originally came out of that. Mike Nichols and Elaine May. I was startled by how their process in developing their sketches was like mine. They would start with an opening line or this or that, and that's what I would do. They'd improvise, and what they were doing, much more difficult with much more challenge in a theater with each other in front of an audience, I would do privately on paper. I'd have an opening line. Where does it take me? Does it go anywhere? No, throw it out. Another opening line. But sooner or later, the opening line would lead to something. I didn't know where it was going, and I would just follow the improv, but it would be an improv on paper. That's why when I first saw the work of Nichols and May, first on television, and later when I went down to a club to see them, I fell madly in love. I mean, they were me and I was them, and we connected. I mean, we had a long life of friendship and work together as a result of that.